Welcome traders, Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video we're going to talk about the trades of the day in the NQ and ES. Today was Fed day, Fed news at 2 o'clock, so you had to be careful in the market. We did pretty good. We had a lot of winners and one trade in the NQ that got stopped out that I'll show you. But I'm going to show you this Fed trade we did. News comes out at 2 o'clock. Market's all over the place, even with a robot. I mean, it's not worth trading because you'll get whacked. It's just ping pong times 10 on steroids. I mean, it's just all over the place. So we wait for the market to settle down. It wasn't collapsing on the news, and so it was leveling out. We started the Autotrader here, and we get this big up move here and then a down move, and with our Algo Bot, it recognizes the uptrend, so it took this trade right here, and we're only looking to make $400, and we did quickly, and that was the end of the trade. So nice $397 profit. And then we just called it quits for the day. No more trading. Because the Fed talks at like 3, that slows the market down. And anything he says can send it into chaos. So you don't want to trade chaos. So let's look at some of the other trades we did. Now these aren't going to be in any particular order. So here's our loss in the NQ. Basically started it here. Started the trend down, so it took a short here, and then somebody must have said something, or some news came out, and the market wasn't weak yet, and it started to reverse and go back up. And so we were going for a $1,000 goal, but that's not going to happen, before the Fed news comes out. So we took our small loss and moved on to the next trade. And that's what you got to do in trading. You don't want to add to any positions or, raise your stops. Just take it, learn from it, and go on to the next trade. So let's look at that one. So after getting stopped on that trade, we lowered our profit goal to 400, and this is the trade and the results. Market started a downtrend here, and it gets short, hits its first 2 profit targets, and our runner and our trail stop sells off. Catches a good 90% of the trade, and then because I guess the trend was up here for some reason, it didn't take this trade here, and it then got short on a downtrend. Yeah, because the market was in a downtrend, so it didn't take this trade, and then it shorted this here, and we got 384 profit. So our bounce back trade after our loss. And here is our ES trade. Basically couldn't hold the highs anymore and sold off here, but we get stopped out pretty quick. Hit its first profit target, and then our stop gets taken out. So we had to adjust that for later. And then it takes a long here and a short. And as you see, we shut the trend filter off so it would trade in both directions. You never know on a Fed day which way the market's going to go for sure. And then the market started to slow down. The ES, it just started to slow down after 11, so we took our gains, and we're quite happy. So that's all the trades for the day. The market started to slow down after 11, so we called it a day, other than that trade that we did in the afternoon. See our other video for our crude oil trades. So altogether we had 3 winners and 1 loser in the NQ. Still a profitable day, and we'll come back and see what Thursday brings. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on Facebook and social media, and we'll catch you in the next video.